Scientists make living human skin for robots. Making skin for robots is one thing, but creating one that looks real is another. As if born out of sci-fi films, scientists were able to develop living human skin for robots. Besides giving that convincing exterior, the skin also has special features. Androids and biohybrid robots are core elements in many sci-fi movies. Both astonishing and frightening, they can imitate people and equip themselves with deadly weapons. Plus, some of these synthetic creatures can regenerate or self-repair, absorb firepower, and even transform into someone or something else. But many of the techs described in these films aren't achievable yet, at least not presently. In the journal Matter, scientists in Japan are pushing for lifelike robots as they developed artificial, living human skin for robots. The finger looks slightly sweaty straight out of the culture medium, since the finger is driven by an electric motor. It is also interesting to hear the clicking sounds of the motor in harmony with a finger that looks just like a real one, said first author Shoji Takeuchi, a professor at the University of Tokyo, Japan, per Tech Explorer. Human-like robots are a top priority in robotics. Even if a person knows they're talking to a robot, they will likely converse more comfortably and evoke likability if the robot looks human for the most part. However, wrapping a robot in artificial skin isn't enough. Silicone skin has been used to mimic human appearance in robots, though it still falls short. As we know, intricate details like wrinkles and skin-related facial reactions are what give human appearance its uniqueness. When you talk or laugh, your face shows distinct movement in the muscles beneath the skin. These are what give that signature human expression. In the study, the team submerged the robotic finger in a cylinder filled with a solution of collagen and human dermal fibroblasts. These two make up the skin's connective tissues. Next, they use human epidermal keratinocytes as the next coating. These cells comprise up to 90% of the epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin. With that, the covered robot would have a skin-like texture and moisture-retaining barrier at the skin level. When they tested a robotic finger, the skin exhibited strength and elasticity when the finger was curling or stretching. The thickness was enough for lifting tweezers and repelling water. If wounded, the skin could be healed by a collagen bandage. Since it is designed based on the human skin, it can survive long without nutrient supply and waste removal. So the team will solve those issues and add more functions, such as sensory neurons, nails, and sweat glands. What do you think of making living skin for robots? Will you be more comfortable interacting with a robot having human-like skin? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.